Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I'm looking at a mix of coins from the Isle of Man. These are coins that I had and I was waiting to get a few of them together before actually doing a video. But they're not any one series, they're just spare odds and sods coins that I picked up as part of other collections and things like that. They all date from the reign of Queen Elizabeth II. This first one here is a 1998 coin. It's a 20p coin, it's in a flip. See if I can get in a bit without losing. Oops. There we go, it's a 1998 20p coin. All of these coins have Elizabeth II on, there's none with Charles on. This shows at the 20p and it's the rally car series. It's slightly askew in the flip, but it came to me like this. So I haven't yet put it into my collection, but it's the rally cars. And it's a series of coins that they did, and that one was from 1989. The next one is a £1 coin. It's the highest value coin in the set. I think this one's from the Millennium. Let me just check. I think it might be 2000. Oh, come on. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's from the year 2000. You've got the Queen's portrait, the country origin, and also the year on that side. Now in the reverse, you have the Triskelion above a map of the Isle of Man. So that was the 2000. This one is from 2018. 50p. It is the crown. Now, when I did a review of the series of the Diamond Jubilee set, and I was informed that I was missing one of the coins, which was this particular St Edward's crown. I've since picked it up, and this will go into that set and be alongside that set when I get my collection together. I'm still a long way off finishing that. I've let things slip, so to speak, but I will be getting all of this together eventually, like a lot of things. This one is from the year 2007. It's a 1p coin, and the reason I got this one was so that it's a 1p coin, and I hadn't got one of this particular type, so I bought it. It's one with the 1p with the war memorial on the reverse. Beautiful coin. I'm not sure where the war memorial is. So it's on the back there. Oh. This is at Santon, the Santon War Memorial. Very nice coin. And the final one is from the Victory series, which was in 2020, wasn't it? Was it 2020? Oh, you really need to remember things there. Yep. 2020, it's an Isle of Man 50p from the, as I say, the Victory series. And this one is letter I. Now the thing behind this was I thought I lost my letter I out of my set, so I bought another one and then found the original letter I. So this is a spare one that I've got, and was therefore just put into a bag out of the way, ready for me to do a coin review at some point when I've got them together. So basically this is an odds and sods bag of Isle of Man coins. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, could you please give me a thumbs up to show that you've enjoyed the video. Also, if you haven't yet done so and you believe I deserve it, could you please give me a subscribe. I am, as always, trying to improve my subscriber base. I haven't set a target for this year as yet, for 2024, but I hope to do so in the very near future. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for watching to the end, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.